Axel. Young and
Gang. Grrr, bow. Niggas listening broke, this shit just be sad, so now these niggas got me mad. Big top 3, really talk the facts. Big GBG, hit him in his shh. I can't wait till I run into buzzing. So bro, I'ma show how we brothers. Watch him boom a nigga with his mother. Swervo, that's the cuz he ain't no other. Ain't a difference when I'm on the beat, the street, these niggas ain't fucking with me. I'm really outside and I'm rapping to eat. Honey, but honey singles than me. I need the beach feeling like a sea. I be with all of these blueies on me. If I gotta suit up, ain't no problem with me. Woke up, never nothing to me. One flow smooth down, blasting this bitch, yeah, we packing them quick, toe tagging and shit. Hop out, then we get back in the whip. Spin again, we just be laughing and shit. I ain't gon' front, I ain't passing the grip. Niggas acting and shit, they be capping and shit. Backdoor, you ain't one of mine, you get hit. We gon' take a trip, don't care we gon' make a mess and that shit get you blessed. Like, get you put up in the sack. Been giving hell, we still give it right. Like, GBG do it the best. And we gon' make a mess and that shit get you blessed. Like, get you put up in the sack. Been giving hell, we still give it right. Like, GBG do it the best.